Third gland is pineal gland. It is reddish gray and about the size of rice, grain of rice in humans. It is located on the dorsal side of forebrain. The hormone secreted by pineal gland is melatonin. The main function of this hormone is it affects the modulation of sleep patterns in the circadian rhythms and seasonal functions. It also helps in maintaining the body temperature as well as influences metabolism, pigmentation, menstrual cycle as well as our defense capacity. The next gland is thyroid gland. It is a small butterfly shaped gland located at the base of the neck below the thyroid cartilage. It is composed of two lobes located on either side of trachea. Thyroid gland is composed of follicles and stromal tissues. Each thyroid follicle is composed of follicular cells. The main thyroid hormones are T4 and T3, tetraiodothyronine or thyroxine and triiodothyronine or T3. Main function of thyroid hormones is it regulates the basal metabolic rate. It controls the metabolism of carbohydrate, proteins and fats. It maintains the water and electrolyte balance. It secretes thyrocalcitonin which regulates the blood calcium levels. It supports the process of red blood cells formation. The next is parathyroid. These are two pairs of parathyroid glands located behind the outer wings of the thyroid. It is located behind the thyroid gland. It secretes a peptide hormone called parathyroid hormone or PTH. The secretion is regulated by the circulating levels of calcium ions. The main function of PTH or parathyroid hormone is it regulates the amount of calcium, phosphorus and magnesium in the bones and the blood. It increases the blood calcium levels and maintains the calcium balance in the body. Next is thymus gland. It is located on the dorsal side of the heart and the aorta. The hormone secreted is thymosin. This hormone plays a very important role in development of the immune system as well as it provides cell-mediated immunity. It promotes production of antibodies to provide humoral immunity. Basically, it helps in development of the immune system and it is generated. Thymus is also degenerated in old individuals. It gets degenerated as the person gets aged. Next is adrenal gland. It is located at the anterior part of each kidney. It is composed of two types of tissues, adrenal medulla, centrally located, and outer tissue is adrenal cortex. When we had discussed the structure of kidney, you had gone through these terms, cortex and medulla. So, adrenal medulla secretes epinephrine and adrenaline hormones and noradrenaline, norepinephrine hormones. Adrenal cortex secretes corticosteroids. Adrenal medulla releases the catecholamines, adrenaline or epinephrine, noradrenaline or norepinephrine. These hormones are released in stressful situations, hence these are hormones. Epinephrine, norepinephrine are also called emergency hormones or flight or fight hormones. These hormones increases the heartbeat, alertness, pupillary dilation, piloerection, raising of the hairs and sweating. Adrenal cortex is divided into three layers and it secretes three main types of hormones: androgen, glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. Next we have to discuss pancreas, which is a very important hormone. It is a flattened organ, lies in the abdomen, posterior and slightly inferior to the stomach. It is a composite gland and acts as both exocrine and endocrine gland. That means pancreas is a heterocrine gland. It consists of islets of Langerhans and acinous cells.